To set up Gemini Pay, start by creating a Gemini account if you do not already have one. Go to the Gemini website and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the registration form with your name, email address, and password. Then click on the Create Account button. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Gemini. Next, download the Gemini mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in to your Gemini account using your email address and password. Tap on the profile icon and select Settings. Then tap on Payment Methods. Select Add Payment Method and choose the payment method you want to use, such as a debit card or bank account. Enter your payment method details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code for a debit card, or the account and routing numbers for a bank account. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap on the Add Payment Method button. Your payment method will be verified and added to your Gemini account. To set up Gemini Pay, go to the Payment Methods section and select the payment method you just added. Tap on the Enable Gemini Pay button. Then review and agree to the terms and conditions. Gemini Pay will be enabled and you can start using it to make payments. It is essential to note that Gemini Pay is only available for US customers and you must have a verified Gemini account to use it. Additionally, make sure to keep your payment method details up to date and secure to avoid any issues with your Gemini Pay transactions. By following these steps, you can easily set up Gemini Pay and start making payments. Remember to always review and agree to the terms and conditions before enabling Gemini Pay. And keep your payment method details secure to ensure a smooth and secure payment experience.